Hi boys and girls, how are you? I hope that you're all fine. You're welcome to Miss Rachael's Learning Corner. Do we have any new friend with us? Let us welcome all our friends so that we can learn together. Welcome friends, welcome friends. Let us learn together. How are you? How are you? How are you today? How are you? How are you? I would like to know. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you very much. I'm fine. I'm fine. And how do you do? Hello boys, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello boys, how are you? How are you today? All the handsome boys, fine. Hello girls, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello girls, how are you? How are you today? All the beautiful girls, fine. Wonderful. Good to know that you're fine and you're ready for our class today. Let us now sing Shake, Shake the Mango Tree. So you can stand wherever you are and let us sing. Shake, shake the mango tree, the mango tree, the mango tree. Shake, shake the mango tree. Down fall the mangoes. Everybody down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake again. Let us pick the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Today, children, we are going to learn a very wonderful activity that we call scooping and pouring. Scooping and pouring activity. You can also try this at home, and remember, as we learn this activity, we will also be learning number value. So before we do this activity, let us remind ourselves the number value. We read the number and see the value that number has. Are we ready? Good job! Look what I have. I have some very beautiful numbers, and besides every number there is a value for the number, and the value is in form of circles, green circles. So we are going to read the number and count the green circles that the number has. So we start number 1. Number 1. How many circles? 1. How many circles? 1. Well done. Let's go to the other number. Number 2. Number 2. How many circles for number 2? 1, 2. 1, 2. Well done. Let's go to the other number. Number 3. Number 3. Let us count the circles that number 3 has. 1, 2, 3. Good job. The next number is number 4. Let us count the circles that number 4 has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Let us go to number 5. Number 5. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We read again, or we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 has how many circles? 5 circles. Let us see the other number. Number 6. I know you already know it. Let us now count how many circles number 6 has. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. easy. So easy. We count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. I can see we are reading nicely. We know our numbers. Number 7. Number 7. How many circles? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Number 7 has how many circles? 7 circles. Let us see number 8. Number 8. We can count the circles for number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 has 8 circles. Well done. We can now go to number 9. This is number 9. Let us count the circles that number 9 has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. And the last one, number 10. Number 10. We count number 10. How many circles that number 10 has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Now we know the value of every number that we are going to be learning scooping and pouring with. Shall we now try the scooping and pouring activity? I can see you are ready. And you know what, children? It is so much fun. And as we do this, we are going to learn number value. So, look what I have. I have a spoon. What do I have? This is a spoon. And I have an empty bowl. And what is the color of my bowl? The empty one, color green. And the other bowl has got some rice. And what is the color of this bowl? It is color orange. So what we are going to do, we are going to pick on a number. This is number 2. And then we are going to do this. How many spoons of rice will I scoop and pour to the other bowl? 2 spoons of rice. So I scoop 1, 2. I got it. Then I pour it back. Then we pick another number. This is number 3. Number 3. How many spoons of rice will I scoop? I scoop 1, 2, 3. I got it. Then I pour it back slowly without pouring. Then I pick on another number. This is number 4. Number 4. So how many spoons of rice will I scoop? I scoop 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. I pour it back. I pour it back nicely. Then I can pick on another number. Which number is this? This is number 5. So how many spoons of rice will I scoop? 5 spoons. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stop because we are scooping only 5 spoons. Then what do? I pour back slowly. Good job. Are you enjoying the activity? I am enjoying. This is number 6. Number 6. How many spoons of rice will I scoop? 6 spoons. We start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many spoons? 6. And I stop. Then what do? I pour the rice back. I'm loving this. We can try with another number. Number 7. Number 7. How many spoons of rice will I scoop? 7 spoons. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wonderful. And then what do? I pour all the rice back to the orange bowl. Then we go to number 8. Number 8. How many spoons of rice will I scoop? For number 8, 8 spoons. We can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got it. I pour it back. Then I pick another number. Number 9. Number 9. Let us scoop some rice. 9 spoons of rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wonderful. Let us try with number 10. Number 10. How many spoons of rice will I scoop for number 10? I start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. I got it right. And then I pour it back slowly without pouring the rice. That way, you will be having fun, and at the same time, you are learning number value. And something, children, when you're scooping, you have to be very careful. I know your little fingers are strong now. Hold the spoon nicely. We do not hold the spoon like this, okay? You hold the spoon nicely and make sure your spoon is full with rice. Then pour slowly to the other place that you're pouring to. And that is a very funful activity. So children, I am so happy that we have learned something. You can always try this at home. Remember, you can also use beans. You can use any cereal as long as your mommy or daddy or your guardian have allowed you to always make a request and tell them, please, can I do a scooping and pouring activity using this or that? And they will tell you, yes, you are welcome. So children, it was wonderful having you in our lesson today. I can't wait to see you in another lesson. Where? In Miss Rachael's Learning Corner. From me, it's a very big huggy. Everybody, give me a big huggy. And then I give you twinkling stars. Until next time.